Welcome back to part 3 of not so easy to cook fish head curry. Start with a frying pan or wok on high heat. Put some oil in to cover the base and then start adding the dry ingredients. Mustard seed, cumin seed, poppy seed, and then fennel. Fry it until the heat pops. The mustard seeds, you can hear it popping. Add in the pounded ginger and garlic. This is really the fun part, where you put everything together that you've prepared. The fire is on high, so you need to be fast and you need to fry it thoroughly until it's fragrant. Add the curry powder that has been mixed with oil. Fry it until fragrant. Add the onions. And then you've got curry leaves, tamarind slices, and a stalk of lemongrass. It gets a bit dry now, but the next step is going to be okay because you're going to add the coconut milk. That should be about 1 cup of coconut milk and diluted with another cup of water. If you like it more lemak or rich, then add more coconut milk. The colors are really coming up now. The next step is to add the vegetables. Once it boils, add the okra, the sieved tamarind water, the brinjal or aubergines, the tomatoes, and the chilies. Then finally, make sure that when you add the fish head, don't include the tamarind seeds that you have marinated it in. You should be clear of that because you don't want anybody to break their teeth on it. Now see that water in the tin bowl? Do not throw that away. Sieve it and then use that water. Every little bit of sauce is required for this, for the sweetness and taste. Now add a teaspoonful of salt and 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar and a teaspoonful of chicken powder. Cover. Lower the heat to as low as you can. Put heat on. And now you're going to leave it covered for 10 minutes. Once that's done, you can uncover the wok and turn the fish around so that it gets cooked on the other side. Now the last step is to cover it for another 5 minutes, and there you have it, your final dish, the fish head curry.